Hi guys, it's me. So a viewer asked me how I organize my embellishments. So I have several ways that I do that. I'm going to share a few with you today. Please tell me how you store your embellishments. I would love to hear. So first I have this old spice rack and I put tons of embellishments in here. I just clean these out really good. I think we bought them at a yard sale, but we never used them. So I finally just had them migrate into my craft room. So I keep all sorts of stuff in these little guys. I do have some metal ones too. I have eyelets, all sorts of stuff, jewels, all sorts of things. Things that I make, like these are my little scrappy embellishments that I made in a tutorial. So I keep those in here and then I can use them whenever I need. So those are fairly neat and organized very well. So that's the first way. But what I used to do, I'll show you, which may or may not work for you. Let me just grab it. All right, is that I have this little tub, and when I first started, I didn't have a lot of money. So what I honestly did was take just little envelopes, all different sorts of envelopes. Most of them are thrifted, and I would organize things in there. So this one was for postcards. This one's for photos. So when people sent me like photo images, I would stick those in there. And I still need to go through all this stuff. There's journaling cards. It's kind of a mess, actually. I do need to clean this out. I think I went through and found a few things on there, and I'm not the best at putting it back where it belongs. And then, like, this is letters and words that people sent me that could definitely be used as embellishments. What else do I have in here? I was trying to find you, like, some real embellishments. There's these beautiful birds. I love those. I still have to use those on canvas. And, kind of forgot about those. And like these are like little strips of paper and banners and that kind of thing that I could use for something. These are stamps that people have sent me. Not very many, but there's a few in there and I don't want to lose them, so I stick them in there. Flashcards. So this is good for like paper embellishments, basically. I do have some like more stuff in here too. So I'm trying to find like because I do have one that has, this is handmade paper, and I just wrote them on there. And then I have like little tags, die cut flowers. So these are all like my die cuts that people have sent me again. Fun little things that I need to use. And then things here too. So these are small tags. So I keep them all in there like that. And then I just stack it up. So that's a way, if you're really on a really small budget, that you can use that. I also love to use old jars. So literally I will use jars and fill them with goodies too. I don't know what I did with any of my jars, but okay, so sorry, I can't show you that, but normally they're by my desk, but I store like my handmade flowers and stuff in there. Another way that I store embellishments is that I go to the thrift store and I pick up like these little containers that have compartments on it. This was for like bedtime pills or something like that, but it's really nifty. You can push it back and forth and then you can get the embellishments out that you need. So this is really fun. I have buttons in here and just all sorts of stuff. Butterflies, again, some of these were gifted to me. Little metal embellishments, just all sorts of stuff. So they're all organized and they look awesome, and I really love using this. Now with the embellishments that I make, like for myself and for videos and stuff, I usually keep those in these. They're like two-way storage dividers. So like for school and for like your pins and that kind of stuff. So this is, I think I have 2 of these, and then I also have the regular kind that you can get at Walmart. So yeah, I get them while they're on sale, and you can store so many different things in that. So these are old postcards, mini little canvases that I made, stuff that people have sent me. I do tend to put it in here too, just because it's beautiful. I usually put it on my bulletin board, and then eventually it gets put in here just to make some room, but I keep them very nicely and I value them a lot. So that goes in there. And then this side has like a divider. So these are journaling cards that I made. So those got stuck in here, but you can add more stuff and divide it. Again, for store find. Nothing fancy there. And this is another one. I think I got this at the dollar store, the Chinese dollar store that we have here. So they have a lot of really cool stuff in there. But this is when I first started out doing mixed media and doing lots of swaps. So it hasn't been organized in a while. But yeah, so there's lots of embellishments in here that I need to go through. And I organize them like this, but they're all in one place. This is kind of crazy though, because when you flip it over, then everything kind of goes all over the place, but it works. So look at your dollar store. They usually have things like this that you can use. And then I keep my charms in these. So they're all organized and separated. And then I have a big tackle box. It's humongous. So this I got when I first started doing mixed media. These are great. The only thing is that they're kind of crazy because when you flip them back and forth, then your elements go all over the place. So this I organized last week. And as you can see, I have toothpicks that came out of this compartment. So when you flip it back and forth, it kind of gets messed up, but it pretty much stays in the same place. So like these little guys and all sorts of stuff. But it's a great way to organize. And it's really deep, so you can store lots of your embellishments in here. That's cool. And on the other side, you could see that there was a fisherman. Does it still have the price on there? So literally, I don't know if you could see that. It was $1.99, and I probably got it for 50% off. So there's more embellishments here, toothpicks, that kind of thing. So that's good. Yeah, so I think that's it. My handmade beads, I do store. Let me grab that, actually. In here. So these are handmade beads, either that people have sent me or that I have made. So they go in here because they're very special and I love them. So they go in this little container. And these, again, are from Walmart. You can get them like 2 for $1 back to school time. So, yeah. So that's it. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. I do store my embellishments in other ways too, but nothing that I can show you on camera right now. I have to be more organized so I can show you what else I do. But I just love these spice jars. This is probably my favorite way to store embellishments. You just need enough. Like, I wouldn't put anything in here unless I had a lot of it. Like, this would be really good for sorting buttons or charms or that kind of thing. So I do love that. And then I love having the little separated organization components too. I think that's really cool. Okay guys, so hopefully that answered your questions. If you have any other videos about organization that you want to see, please let me know. I'd be happy to do them for you. And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on Thursday with another video. Bye-bye.